Individuals, families, businesses, and even governments make budgets. A budget is an estimate of income and expenses over a set period of time. You can make a budget to track income and expenses and set spending and saving goals. A monthly budget can help you plan and save for a short-term goal, such as home repairs. A yearly budget can help you save money for long-term goals such as a retirement fund or university expenses. To create a budget, first write down your source of income. Second, write down your expenses. The difference between the two gives you the amount you can save. Some types of income and expenses remain the same over time. These are called fixed income or expenses. For example, Rabia's monthly income from teaching and the rent the family pays for their house. It's not easy to change such type of income or expenses. Some types of income and expenses change over time. These are called variable income or expenses. For example, Saftar's income from the fruit shop changes due to customer demand, and the money the family spends on clothes, entertainment, etc. also varies. Once you have a sense of how much you are spending and on what, you can try to reduce these expenses according to your saving goals. When adjusting your budget, it might be easier to increase variable income and reduce variable expenses. The aim is for income to always be greater than expenses. If your expenses exceed your income, you will need to withdraw from previous savings. As a general rule on how to allocate your income, you can use the 50-30-20 method. 50% of your income should cover all necessary expenses such as rent, food, and utility bills. 20% should be saved. This can be for a specific purpose or for an emergency or retirement fund. The remaining 30% of your income can be used for discretionary expenses or those open to your choice. This is the money left over after all your required expenses have been paid. A smart way to use these discretionary funds is to invest in educational courses or vocational training, which teach new skills and can help you in the future. You can also give 10% of this amount to charity to help those less fortunate than yourself. If you want to grow your savings, you can decrease your discretionary expenses. You may use a simple pencil and paper to make your first budget, but there are also many resources available to you in the form of phone applications and websites, which help you make a budget and keep track of your finances. Maintaining a budget and updating it to meet your spending and saving goals lets you keep your finances on track and take control of your financial future.